Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my first Vox Box from Influenster, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys how to get free makeup. Before this video gets started, go ahead and give me a like and go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. That means so much to me. Almost to 200 subscribers. Yay. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I am not getting paid by any of the brands mentioned in this video. So I got this package in the mail from Influencer. I already opened up the box. Just to make, well, I didn't open up the box, I only opened up the package just to make sure everything was in there. And yeah, so I got sent the Bare Minerals Power of Good New Bounce and Blur collection. This is what the box looks like. It's gonna focus. I got a brand new camera, guys. This is what it looked like. When I open it, it comes with like a little pamphlet. It just talks about how to use the product. This is really easy. So I got sent one eyeshadow palette and also blush. It comes bubble wrapped. So this. So obviously I didn't open it, like it still got like tape on it. Ow. This is what the eyeshadow looks like, the packaging. It's really cute. And this is what the blush. I might do a makeup tutorial with this if you guys want to. Just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Now I'm unboxing the eyeshadow, and this has 5 shades in it. It's Evening Star, Harvest Moon, Crimson Sunset, Sepia Sky, and Purple Twilight. And for the blush, it's in the shade Mauve Sunrise. So that was my first Vox Box. I guess a little unboxing, I don't know, kind of. So now on to how to get free makeup. I got this package sent to me by Influenster. So if you guys don't know what that is, Influenster is a website where you can go on and you can review products. Like you can literally review anything, like from hair products, makeup products, food, anything. So how I got free makeup was through Influencer. So what I did was I made an account, signed up, and it's gonna ask you to link all of your social media, your Twitter, your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Oh, by the way, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and add me on Snapchat. So yeah, you pretty much just link all of your social media to it, and then they're gonna like check your account and you get this thing called like an impact. You don't have to have a big following to receive Vox Boxes or anything like that. So literally all you do is you go up there and you just start writing reviews for products that you have. Like for instance, if I have, I don't know, if you have like a MAC lipstick, write a review on it. Like, was it good? Was it creamy? Was it bad? You know, was it streaky? Just leave that review on it, and then you have to be consistent with it. When I first started, I was doing around like 5 to 10 reviews like every other day, and then all of a sudden like I just got an email saying like, hey, you've been chosen to review this box from Bare Minerals, and we're gonna be sending you free makeup just to try, where they're not paying you to try anything. Not a sponsor, I wish. It took about 3 weeks for the package to come in. After you get your package or your Vox Box, you have to review it, because once you review it, that lets Influencer and the brands know like, hey, this person is actually using the brand or using the product, and maybe they're gonna be interested in sending you some more. And also, when you're doing your reviews, it's really good to put pictures up there, so that way it's a genuine review.
Okay, so what I forgot to mention was, so when you do your reviews and you post pictures, not only does it let Influenster and other brands know that you're reviewing the products, but it also helps other people that are willing to buy products, like actually see it being used on other people.
Also, when you're on Influencer, ask questions about products you probably don't even know about or products you're even interested in. This is my first box, but who knows when I'm gonna get my second box. It could probably be like 3 months from now, could probably be next week, because you never know. But consistency is key. So that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any more questions or any videos you want to see, just comment them down below. The link to Influencer will be in the description box as well. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you.